Wow! Wow! Hey you! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to PUTRI ARIANI's latest track. It is called Hey, how are you? I'm doing well. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, PUTRI. And this is a official performance video. So with that being said, let's dive straight in. Once again, PUTRI is now sending a beautiful message. Hi, how are you? I'm thinking of you. Oh my god, bro. She's a queen. She's a queen. I'm here thinking of you as well, PUTRI. You are one of the best musicians could ever be on the face of this earth. Bro, wonderful song. Wonderful song, bro. She's a very excellent songwriter when it comes on to messages, right? Okay, I guess she's an experienced person or she's just learning from experience because her messages of her songs are always connecting. It's always speaking from volumes that we all went through at times, bro. We all do. We all do. There are some points in life where we all went through some moments and it is just unbearable to forget. Trust me. Rah, 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 rah. What? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is way too much for me to take in at this point. I wish I could get back to you because she's sobbing, she's venting, bro. They have went through a lot, just like myself here, bro. Went through a lot, man. And the question and the statement that I always made, man. Hey, can I get back to you? Or I wish I could get back to you. It is always those questions, man, and those statements. So what PUTRI is doing, bro, she knows what people do need this time and age that we're living in now, bro. Everyone is just so broken. Everyone is just so dark. Everyone doesn't feel love anymore. But once we find that person who loves us, man, and something went down, that moment will always be reincarnating every moment because of the good times they are spent together. And PUTRI is always reminding us that, you know, wish we could get back together. She's always a masterpiece when it comes down to these type of music, and I do love it. I know that you were never here. Memories. Because, love is a very wonderful thing when you find love, man. Right? And for some instance, we all think that person that we went in love with, they were here for us, man. When eventually after they left, it was always a sham. It was a sham, bro. And to experience what love is like, to experience someone who loves us, man, it's always something that we should always remember, man. And love is something that is very beautiful. Once we engaged ourselves with love, bro, love is a very beautiful thing, man. Like, it is just hard to explain, man. And Poochie can come out and give us music like this, bro. That hits differently. Oh, splendid voice, bro. Awesome story, man. Whoa, whoa, she's an excellent storyteller. I always mention this, right? Poetry is an excellent storyteller. When she comes out to write these songs, right, she's in a deep meditation of writing these songs. Someone always hurting someone always seems to be unfair. Because we can have a person on the next side that, we think that that person loves us when eventually they do not. And when we were broken, they were not here, right? So this is what we call the beautiful music. Songs like these do need it, bro. Always. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Poetry, this was a superb song. The message is amazing. The piano skills was fantastic. You've outdone yourselves once more, and I do appreciate everything that you're giving us. As a Jamaican, I approve this to be one of your best songs you have ever done. And the best is yet to be discovered, but this is also one of the best songs you have ever done. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe for more PUTRI ARIANI, hit the bell icons because you all know we'll be here supporting PUTRI as long as we can. Once breath is in our bodies, then eventually we're going to support this female because she's very talented. And when we see talents like this, when we see acts like this, we should support. So stay tuned for more PUTRI ARIANI reaction. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in another video, man. Peace.